Manual ballooning is time-consuming and error-prone. SOLIDWORKS Inspection for automate ballooning.
Are you creating balloon drawings manually on an Excel sheet or website? This may take hours and also it lead to lots of errors. But we have a solution in our SolidWorks suite of solution that is called SolidWorks Inspection. So SolidWorks Inspection helps you to generate the automatic ballooning for your dimensions in your drawing sheet, and also we can able to extend all the dimensions in your SolidWorks CAD and also from PDF within a minute.
Avoid inconsistent inspection reports with SolidWorks Inspection Reports.
Generally, in any organization, different departments who is handling different projects has to deliver the reports, but they will deliver inconsistency. This inconsistency may cause lot of quality control issues. But in SolidWorks Inspection, we have standardized templates. These templates help us to deliver the consistent, professional, and compliant reports every time.
Generate first article inspection faster with SolidWorks Inspection.
In traditional manufacturing environments, the first article inspection, that is FAE, is heavily manual, and also consumption of time is more on that. However, SolidWorks Inspection completely automates this process. Within just 3 steps, you can able to generate the first article inspection report within a minute.
SolidWorks Inspection for connected quality process.
Generally, teams work in silos. For example, the quality team will be working on the Excel sheet, whereas the design team will be working on the CAD software. But this will cause for reset mismatch and also miscommunication. But SolidWorks Inspection seamlessly integrates with the SolidWorks CAD, where easily can able to get up-to-date data between the design team as well as the quality team.
SolidWorks Inspection. Detect and target quality issues in design.
While tracking of defects and non-conforming parts, it's very difficult to identify in the quality issues. With SolidWorks Inspection, you can able to create the digital record that provide full traceability and enabling effective root cause analysis.